What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you find yourself regularly having to go into Control Center and manually activating low power mode, there is an easier way to automate this process for you to save yourself a couple of steps, and it all can be done simply through the Shortcuts app. So today's video is going to be very short and sweet. Again, it can all be done by simply launching your Shortcuts app, looking at the bottom here to Automation, and then clicking on the plus sign right here. Once you are in this screen, you're going to want to scroll down to battery level. When you select this, you're going to want to put it at whatever threshold you are going to want for this to kick in. So I want to say 20%. So you're just going to slide the slider down, and now you can see it change from 50% to 20%, and you're going to want to put falls below as your option, and then select run immediately. You can turn on a notification here when it auto runs. I don't need it on. You're going to know it shows it on the actual top of the iPhone that it is in low battery mode. So we're just going to go ahead and say next. And when you do this, what you're going to want to do is actually search in here for low power mode, and you will see the only option that comes up is set low power mode. You're going to want to select this, and you can see now it defaults to turn low power mode on. We already knows when it falls below 20%, and hit done. And as you can see, that is our new automation, and it is set up ready to go. It is literally that easy to automate this process if it's something you find yourself doing manually on a daily basis. It is that quick and easy. The beauty of the Shortcuts app, it is so intelligent. You can do a number of different features. We have one for battery intelligence, and it'll show you right now. You can see that banner, about 2 minutes until full charge. If you want that active, you can obviously see everything we've set up. We have a video on the channel on this already as well if it's something you want. This is real time and does update until Apple gives us iOS 19 and real true battery intelligence. If it's nothing you want set up, you can obviously turn it off and all that. We have our Tesla vehicle one here, and then there are some some starter shortcuts already built in. Music quiz, Shazam shortcuts, last text message. Amazon has a couple here. You can ask Alexa, American Airlines. You'd be surprised if you don't spend a lot of time in here to see everything offered from your already pre-installed apps. I think this is a very powerful tool. A lot of people don't take advantage of because it does get overwhelming if you are going to be really using this in a granular aspect. But aside from that, you can scroll through, see everything else that's here, and you can automatically set up those automations as needed. So, Outlooks, if you want to have something auto run for running late, next meetings, parcel, phone, photos, whatever you want, you can create a shortcut for. There's other automations like we said in here. There's gallery options. I mean, there's just, it's endless. There's a ton of tutorials online as well that would help you along your way if you want to take advantage of this also. Let us know if there's anything specific else you would like to see for an automation feature, and we'll make sure to do a video on that here in the near future. But until iOS 19 comes out in a couple of weeks, this is what we have. Battery intelligence is here, and this is how you will want to turn on your low power mode automatically. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.